Hi there. Welcome to the Healing Path. My name's Christina. I'm really glad you're here today. We've been talking about meditation, and my goal and intention here is to demystify meditation and show basic ways to practice meditation. So, in a previous video, you might want to check out, I will link it into the description of this video. But there is a video where I talk about meditation and I demystify some of the things that we have as a society told ourselves about meditation that is just not true. So, meditation is simply picking something to focus on and redirecting your focus when you are distracted. So, today we're going to do a body scan. So, you can do this sitting down, laying down. Standing is fine too, but it's not as relaxing. But maybe you're in a position where you can't sit. I've actually done this while I was standing. So you can do this anywhere. But I found myself in a challenging moment in my life, and I decided to get very present in my body, and this is what I did. So I'm going to take you through it just briefly. We're going to do an abbreviated version of this. So you can take this and go really deeply into this. And there are videos, and I'll do one for you at some point. I'm just getting started with the content on this channel, but I will have videos in the future that will come with all kinds of other things about meditation. So for today, we are going to sit, lay, or stand in a comfortable place, and I will take you briefly through a brief body scan. But this is just one of the many ways that you can relax your nervous system and meditate. Okay, so we'll take a deep breath in, collective cleansing breath in through the nose and out through the mouth. And then you can close your eyes, or you can look at something or just direct your focus down softly towards the floor or your nose. That's fine too. So we'll just begin to bring our focus to the top of our head. We'll scan a little area of the top of our head and start to soften the top of the head. And moving to the sides of the head, soften and relax the ears. And soften the eyebrows and the space in between the eyebrows. Feel your eyeballs resting in their eye sockets. And soften and relax the corners of your eyes. And soften through the jaw. Relax your tongue, allowing your tongue to just gently rest in the bottom of your mouth. Maybe separate your teeth. Soften the corners of your mouth. Swallow, relax your jaw and your throat. And soften through the shoulders. And feel your chest relax and your back soften. Relax your belly. Relax your low back. Become aware of your shoulders and your arms. Relax your elbow crease and your forearm. Relax your wrist, the palm of your hand. Soften through each finger. And soften the entire hand. Become aware of your pelvis or your hips. Relax your hips. Soften through the thighs, the front of your legs and the back of your legs. Relax your knees. Soften through the front of your shin, below your knee. Relax the back of your leg, your calf muscle, below your knee. Become aware of your ankles. Soften the bones in your feet. And relax each toe. And relax the entire foot. And now relax and become aware of your whole body. And just be here for a moment. And take in how you feel. And gently soften your face while you open your eyes gently. How do you feel? I feel better already. It was just a couple of moments, just a few minutes. So you can break this down and get really specific. You can do it where you go through every little, knuckle, every single finger. And I will probably make a video of that, a longer version. But just getting started here, I wanted to start out with some short, easy versions of meditation. So just remember, if I can meditate, you can too. And I hope that you'll have a great day and that you'll like and subscribe for more videos like this on how you can relax your nervous system and feel better in your body. So I look forward to more moments like this with you. And if you want to work with me privately, you can do that as well and contact me through any of the various ways through my channel here. All right, peace.